Is it cocktail hour yet?
You're Joseph Scott, who every woman wants. Don't you have any philosophies in life apart from self-indulgence?
I really don't like looking at myself through your eyes. Your happiness doesn't interest me, mine does.
Daniel Craig во главна улога, кој по смртта на пријателот од детството се навраќа на случувања од минатото.
Why don't you make a move, Joe? A wounded boy with just enough meanness in him to keep the girls interested.
How could you choose between Brian Ferry and David Bowie?
Come in!
I'm really late.
Just for a minute.
Do you find this approach usually works?
What?
Your neck's covered in love bites. You really surprised me, Joe Scott.
Take a look in the mirror because you are a mess. You deserve that, Joe!
Животот на еден будала. Недела, 0 часот и 20 минути.
I don't want to go out! You will do as I say now. Get out!